Managing construction or renovation projects digitally is not only possible, but it can also streamline your entire process, saving you time, money, and headaches. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do it in just a few minutes. First, let's talk about the key areas you'll need to cover: budgeting, scheduling, task management, communication, and documentation. The best way to tackle all of this is by using the right software. You want a platform that lets you manage everything in one place, so you're not jumping between spreadsheets, emails, and different apps. Start by setting up your project in your chosen software. From there, you can input your budget, allocate resources, and track expenses in real time. This is one of the best ways to avoid overruns. With digital tools, you can easily adjust the budget as the project progresses, keeping you in control. Next up, scheduling. One of the biggest headaches in any construction or renovation project is staying on schedule. With digital tools, you can set up detailed timelines, assign tasks, and track progress. You can also instantly notify your team when things change or when delays occur, keeping everyone on the same page. Now let's talk about task management. With construction or renovation projects, there's often a lot going on at once, from hiring subcontractors to managing deliveries. Digital tools allow you to break the project down into smaller, manageable tasks and assign them to the right people. This makes it easy to track progress, set deadlines, and make adjustments quickly if something goes off course. Another key benefit of managing your project digitally is communication. Instead of losing track of emails or chasing people down for updates, digital project management platforms allow you to have everything in one place. Messages, updates, and changes can be seen by everyone involved in real time, which is a game changer when it comes to keeping things running smoothly. Finally, documentation is a breeze. Instead of keeping everything in physical folders or having to sift through endless emails to find an invoice or change order, digital tools allow you to store and organize everything in one place. Whether it's contracts, receipts, or change orders, everything you need is just a few clicks away. Now, I've tried all the most popular software options out there, but I'll be showing you the one that I believe is the best for managing construction and renovation projects digitally. The software I'll be using today is packed with features to help you stay on top of your project from start to finish. And the best part? If you want to follow along, I've got an exclusive free trial just for you. Click the link in the description to get started. The key takeaway here is that managing construction or renovation projects digitally not only makes the process more efficient, but it also gives you greater control over every aspect, from budgeting to communication. Whether you're handling a small renovation or a large construction project, the right digital tools can make all the difference. Quick recap: set up your project in the software, track your budget and expenses, manage your schedule, assign tasks, keep communication smooth, and store your documentation digitally. And don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial I've linked below to help you get started. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.